What is the best charger for iPhone 12? So what's up guys, Fabria and welcome to Shades of Tech. If you're new to the channel, you should know that I removed monetization on my YouTube videos. So if you like to see what we do without any interruption and you want to see more, please consider dropping a big like and subscribing with the notification on. It's a really big support for us. Thank you. For full disclosure, I want to thank Anker for reaching out and sending this really nice fast charging essential box and to bring you my personal opinion, but I want to make very clear that I'm not paid or sponsored by Anker in any way, so in this way I can stay true to you guys and bring you only my personal opinion on this product. But why are we talking about charging bricks in 2020? Did you miss something? Well, when Apple announced the iPhone 12, they were really proud to announce that they removed all the power bricks from the new iPhone boxes, and with a great reduction of carbon emission to reduce pollution. We all have a charging brick, right? And a smaller box is also easier to ship and it creates less environmental footprint. Too bad that as a typical Apple move, they included in the iPhone 12 a USB-C to Lightning cable, and you will probably thank them in the future for this, but today you need to charge your phone and you probably don't have a USB-C brick. So if you have an old USB-A Apple brick with a Lightning cable, you can charge your shiny new iPhone. Yes, but it's 5 watt and it doesn't support fast charging. Why Apple? So you'll have to buy an USB-C charger anyway and trash your USB-A brick. So I don't see how it can be better for the environment. Do you see that? And it's just coincidence that now you can buy the Apple new USB-C 20 watt charging brick for $19. Dear Apple, I'm really sorry, but it seems to me that it's just a big money saving for you and it's not that good for the environment. But if you are mad at Apple and ashamed by this move that is in clear Apple style and you want to buy an iPhone 12 or 12 Pro, or at least considering, you should be very interested in what's in this box, because Anker doesn't only match all the Apple boxes, but it also reduces the price in the same dimension. So here we have the small and compact Anker Nano that is 20 watt in the same footprint of the previous 5 watt brick. And if you compare it to the original Apple brick shipped with the previous iPhones, it brings a 3 times faster charging than the original 5 watt brick. And with this 20 watts is perfect for phones and tablets. It means that in 30 minutes you can charge half of the battery against 17% before, and this is really fast charging and mind-blowing. To get something similar you need to get, of course, the 20 watt Apple USB-C charger that costs $20, but this one is around $17, so you can save money. And if you're watching this video, you can find a convenient Amazon 10% discount code that Anker gave me for you guys. And also the USB-C port delivers the exclusive Power IQ 3.0 that optimizes charging speed for any mobile devices, because it's compatible with different fast charging standards, meaning that you can use it with any device you have, also the Android phones and tablets, and you will get for each one the best performance for this specific device. Also, if I can give you an advice from my heart, and get a good nylon braided cable. I am sick of Apple plastic ones that break after a couple of years, and you will surely thank me, like this one from Anker. But if you want to charge multiple devices at the same time, of course with Apple bricks you can't. And Anker included in this essential box a dual USB-C port charger, great for phones, tablets and laptops as well. And with this you can deliver up to 60 watt, and it's great for the iPad Pro, the MacBook Pro as well. Again, in the same footprint of Apple 61 watt USB-C brick, it delivers the same power but with two USB-C ports, including Power IQ 3.0 on the first port. And what I love about this one is that you can change the power outlet according to which country you are in, so it is perfect also for travels and to charge your, let's say, your iPad and your iPhone. So let me know what you guys think about this product, and if you are mad to Apple like I am and you will be getting the new iPhone 12, this will be perfect for you. Let me know if you will buy the Apple MagSafe as well. So this wraps up for today. Let me know what you guys think. Be sure to like or dislike this video, comment and subscribe. And as always, stay tuned on Shades of Tech. Ciao!